Apple has released a new update for iOS devices along with the release of their 3 new iPhones. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be telling you about what's new in iOS 12, including 8 new features. Now let's get started. If you haven't updated your current device to iOS 12 yet, check out our tutorial to learn how. A link to that video will be in the description box below. The first thing that's changed with iOS 12 is speed. Everything runs a little bit faster and smoother in iOS 12, even if you're using an iOS device that's a few years old. Swiping between app screens is faster and smoother. Apps open faster. The keyboard also appears faster and is more responsive. Overall, iOS 12 is a lot more pleasant to use simply because of improved speed and smoothness. On your lock screen, notifications from the same app will be stacked in order to keep your alerts more organized. Tap a stack of notifications to expand the stack and see individual notifications. Next up are the new features added to the camera app. There are now augmented reality filters built into the iOS camera app that comes on your device. There's also better lighting in portrait mode and a newly improved QR code reader. In your settings, there's a new feature called Screen Time that allows you to monitor your device usage to see how long you use your device each day, which apps you use most, and more. With this feature, you can schedule time away from your screen, set time limits for specific apps and websites, and even block inappropriate content. These new features are great for everyone to keep themselves from getting distracted or wasting time, but are also useful for parents to control the amount of time their children can spend on their iOS devices. A new feature in Apple's Music app allows users to search for songs by lyrics, so you can easily find a song even if you can't remember its title or the name of the artist. There's a super useful new app that comes built in on iOS devices called Measure. This app uses augmented reality technology to help you measure things in the real world, like a ruler that's built into your phone. On newer iOS devices, there's a new Animoji feature called Memojis that allows you to make an Animoji that looks like you. It's also more responsive and can even tell when you wink or stick your tongue out. The Do Not Disturb function has been improved with added customization so you can set your device to bedtime mode to dim your screen and silence all notifications until a specific time. You can also use this feature to automatically display the weather on your lock screen when you wake up in the morning. iOS 12 might look quite similar to iOS 11, but with all these new features, it's definitely much better on iOS devices both new and old. More updates, including group FaceTime, will be coming to iOS 12 in the near future. That's it for this video about 8 new things in iOS 12. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.